Alright guys, welcome to a unboxing of the KLEIN Otus watch. I just got this watch like a few weeks ago and I must say it's been holding up pretty well. So as you can see, it's a open worked automatic watch. This is the black version, the black Otus. But I bought a stainless steel strap for it. That's just off-brand from China. But it comes with a rubber strap. But the strap doesn't really matter that much. It's just the watch face which is most important in my opinion. So as you can see, it's sticking right now. It's got a decent movement. So the automatic movement, you can just wind it up by spinning this button. So the battery lasts around 2 days if I'm not wrong. But you know, since it's an automatic watch, it charges as you move. As you can see, that this thing that moves around, that charges it up while you walk, or you know, just while you wear it. So it can last up a few days. I think I got like once got like 4 days out of it, which was pretty nice, like only winding it up once. So that's nice. I must say I just bought this watch because the price, it's very cheap and it's just look aesthetically so pleasing. It also reminds me, like the shape of it, like the shape of the case, reminds me of a Patek Philippe. I think it's based off of that one. But it's a really nice watch. So just gonna clean this one up. So as you can see, it's like polished on the front. There you go in the light. And then it's glossy at the sides. So as I said, it just comes with a rubber strap, but I just added this stainless steel band because I'm just a fan of stainless steel bands. Anyways, what I think of the watch, it's worth its price, definitely. I would definitely recommend buying this if you're looking for an automatic watch. Also, since it's very cheap, you can't go wrong with it. Like I said, I have it for like a few weeks now. It's holding up pretty well. Like, I don't even have any scratches yet, not even on the glass or on the watch itself. It comes in this nice little box. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.